These are the Offroad Design 4.5-inch heavy-duty rear super shackles that I'm going to put on my Suburban. I haven't done the rear springs yet. I've been wanting to do those. I just haven't got around to it, but you can see these are very well put together. Nice welds. They come with, well, you can get them just like this, or you could get these Kevlar bushings with them too, and good hardware, you know. I have these same bushings on the front custom Off-Road Design springs, and on the rear I've just got these 4-inch lift springs, so I'm not going to use blocks anymore. And these are the Tuff Country's 56-inch, I believe. And those will be going in too. I got a couple more things to get, then I'll be able to put those in. I forgot all about U-bolts, so I'm going to order up some of those and get them on their way too.